Welcome to Telehosting. If your emails are landing in spam or are not being delivered at all, missing or incorrect SPF, DKIM, and DMARC records could be the reason. SPF, which is Sender Policy Framework, is like a permission list for your domain. It tells mail servers which servers are allowed to send emails on behalf of your domain. For example, if you use Telehosting mail servers or a service like Google Workspace, your SPF record will specify these servers as approved senders. Domain keys identified mail, which is DKIM, is like adding your digital signature to every email you send. It ensures that your messages hasn't been modified or forged during delivery. DMARC, which is Domain-Based Message Authentication, Reporting and Conformance, combines SPF and DKIM to give you control over what happens if an email fails authentication. It lets you tell receiving servers things like quarantine emails that fail SPF or DKIM, reject fake emails pretending to come from my domain, or send me reports of suspicious activities. When someone receives your email, the servers check the DKIM signature against your DNS records. If it matches, it confirms that the email came from you and hasn't been tampered with. It also checks your SPF record. If the email comes from an approved server, it passes. If not, it may be marked as spam or rejected entirely. Basically, it's the ultimate rulebook for protecting your domain from email spoofing and phishing. These records help email providers verify that your messages are legitimate and not spam. And here's why you need SPF, DKIM, and DMARC. It improves email deliverability. Your emails are less likely to land in spam. It builds sender reputation. Email providers trust your domain more. It prevents email spoofing and protects your domain from being used by scammers. It secures communication, keeping your business and customers safe from fraud. To add SPF, DKIM, and DMARC records in cPanel, first, log into your cPanel account. Once you're on the dashboard, scroll to the email section and click Email Deliverability. This is where you can view and manage SPF, DKIM, and DMARC records for your domain. If there's an issue with any of them, cPanel will show a warning beside your domain. Find the domain you want to configure and next to it, click Manage. Scroll down to the SPF section. cPanel will automatically suggest a recommended SPF record. You'll see something like this. Next, still on the email deliverability page, scroll down to the DKIM section. You can either install a suggested record or generate a local DKIM key if your hosting services does not already provide this, just like mine. cPanel will automatically create and install a DKIM record for your domain. It will look like this. Now let's add DMARC. DMARC is not automatically created, so you add it manually using the zone editor. Here's how. Go back to your cPanel home. Under Domains, click on Zone Editor. Find your domain and click Manage. Click Add Records and choose the TXT record. Now fill in the field as follows: your name, your time to leave, the type, which is TXT, and the record. Once everything is done, click Save Record, and after saving, your new records will start propagating across the internet. This can take a few minutes. To verify if everything is working, use tools like pnschecker.org to check it. Watch our video on how to do this. And that's how to add SPF, DKIM, and DMARC records in cPanel the right way. These three records are your domain's best defense against email fraud, spam, and delivery issues, and once they're properly configured, your emails reach inboxes faster, build trust, and reflect professionalism. If you have any questions or confusions, drop them in the comments below or reach out to Telehosting support. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video to friends who need Telehosting services. Also, subscribe for more web hosting tutorials with Telehosting. See you in the next video.